How to remove suggested email in your Google Chrome. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and click that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. Alright, so we are here on our Facebook, and as you can see, there are some emails suggested. So to simply remove this, just hover your cursor in an email and type in your keyboard Control plus Delete. So this will automatically delete the email. And just in case, I will have another solution for you. Go and type Control H in your keyboard, and that will direct you to the history, and go to clear browsing history. And also here you can choose on which or how long of the data you will delete. So you can delete in 4 days or weeks, or even in an hour. So it's up to you, and this will lead you to deleting the history, and no more emails will be recorded in your Chrome, so there will be no more suggestions. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.